back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys app lock all setting into Z guys. How to set up, how to set password, how can we change app lock password, how to lock app, how to unlock apps. So I all setting guys your app lock setting guys in this video guys. I will show you. So guys don't skip the video guys. And guys now let's start the video. So when we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it, click on phone security setting guys, tap here guys, click on your app lock setting. So guys you will have to draw any pattern guys, choose any pattern guys which you want to set on your app lock setting. So example I will take this L, but guys don't forget your pattern. As you can see, what's your model middle name, any name guys you want to set, you can set from here. So example for guys I will take my friend name Rohit. Done. So friends, you can see your app lock will set up, and which app guys you want to lock, you can lock from this right side icon guys. You can see the lock icon. So you will have to click on your lock icon, then the icon will green and yellow, red. So as you can see your app lock, this app will lock in your Infinix phone. So as you can see, if you take guys, if you own guys your YouTube app, you will have to draw pattern. Then guys you can unlock your YouTube app. And like that guys, you want to change your guys you want to unlock your apps, so guys you can unlock from here. So which app you want to unlock, you can unlock from this right side. This app will unlock in your Infinix phone guys. So this app will unlock and this app will lock. And guys how to change password guys, you can see the setting option guys, tap here guys, click on your change password setting. So as you can change password from here. So example for guys we will take this L, big L, confirm. So as you come back friends, you can see your AppLock setting, you can see that this wrong and right. So as your AppLock password will change. And as you want to off your AppLock, means you don't want to use your AppLock setting. So then how can you off AppLock setting? Click here. So when we will on our AppLock setting option right side, click here, click on your enable AppLock setting, right side icon, tap here, off it. So as your AppLock will off. So as you cannot use your AppLock setting, you will have to set up again if you want to use it. So like that guys, you can use your AppLock A to Z setting, lock, unlock, setup, off, change password. So I hope friends you have understood how to use AppLock setting in Infinix phone. So I hope friends you have understood easily. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. And guys before going, go and like the video. Bye friends.